Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 4:42 a.m. right now and I'll be leaving in around 5 minutes for my departure. So it's 5:30 now. We got a little delayed and now we're leaving a little late. We expect to reach our destination in the next 24 hours or maybe more, depending on how things unfold. So let's see when we reach and how the trip goes. It's 7 a.m. right now and we're somewhere in UP and Dhruv is right here. Just trying to settle down in the car. We had to get this for breakfast at 10 in the morning in Agra from a small vendor, as this was the only thing available in Agra at 10. We've taken a small halt right now for Bruno to relax and just stretch her legs. So yeah, we're stopping over here. Fun fact, this road is also used as an emergency runway for fighter jets or any kind of planes if needed. Yes guys, we finally reached Lucknow. This is one of the major chunks of the journey we have to complete. It took us 9 hours to reach Lucknow and now we're actually pretty tired and everything. So let's hope we get something to eat over here and yeah. We've reached Lucknow but are apparently going through a very busy street, which sucks, even though like Google Maps we're going through a very busy street and we've lost a lot of time in the journey. So it's 4 PM right now, exactly 12 hours since we started the journey, and I've stopped at this restaurant called Neelkant for lunch and everything, as we were pretty tired after a 12-hour journey. And no, we haven't still finished. We're in Lucknow right now, around 10 hours still to go till our final destination. So guys, it's 6 PM right now and it's very dark outside, as you can see. So we're in a fix if we should stay at night somewhere or just keep traveling, because it will be very dangerous if we keep traveling in the fog with a dense forest, because the last stretch that we have to cover is around 100 plus kilometers with a dense forest around us with fog. So we have to think whether we should just stay in a hotel overnight or keep traveling with a more dangerous option. I'll keep you updated. So we finally decided to check into a hotel. So that was pretty much my day. I could not finish the journey today, but we'll surely do it tomorrow and we'll vlog that as well. So stay updated on the channel for the second part, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.